Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you the review of YouCut application and what you can do here and if it's actually better than other editors. The short answer I think it's fine, but in my opinion applications like InShot or KineMaster are way better, and I will show you why. YouCut is really great in those style that you don't have any watermark here. This is the first important thing. No watermark, big plus. In KineMaster, you got watermark. Trim options are really good. You can trim the video, you can cut it, or you can split it. Really simple. Music is also good. You can upload your own music or featured music or effects. This is the same as InShot, but InShot has many more effects comparing to YouCut, so I recommend InShot in that perspective. Filter, also you can use filters to your video. For example, the worm is really important to have because the colors are much more stronger. Then you got many paid effects. You can wait here, look at that, like this one, or this one. Some of them are pro, some of them are for free, and you can play around it. The effects are quite good here. Now when we go further, you can easily add text. I mean, this is the same in InShot and also same in KineMaster, but in InShot you can make fade in and fade out the text. You can't do that in YouCut. Now, emojis, yeah, we all understand that you can put emojis into your video. I'm not going to talk about it. You can change the speed, background color, you can record your own voice, you can change the volume, rotate the video, flip it and crop it. In my opinion, this application is really great for basic editing. It doesn't have transitions, which is kind of bad, I think. If you would have just fade in, fade out transition, that would be so damn good, but I can recommend it. Basic editing, hell yeah. If you want to use green screen, transitions, many more effects, go with the KineMaster or InShot. That's my 2 cents to it, and that's kind of it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write in the comments what would you like to learn from InShot and from this application, and I will make a video on it. Again, thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya.